What's up guys, it's Telephoto Tech. Today we're gonna unbox iPhone 14 Pro. So this one is the 128 gigs base variant with Apple A16 Bionic chip and dynamic Iceland. So the major benefit of buying this phone over iPhone 14 and 14 Plus is that it's having Apple latest silicon chip, which is A16, and it's also having dynamic Iceland, which Apple is not giving in other phones. So it's a major upgrade from the other phones. So while on boot up you can see the lock shown on, and if you use the Apple native apps and some other apps which have already built their apps on this dynamic S line, you will be shown the features on it. Okay, so this is the major thing. Let me just show you with any app I'm using currently. If I use any app like in a music player, or I'm on a call like this SoundCloud app. If I play the music, let me just play something, and yeah, this is shown. And if I tap it on it, you'll be seeing like this. The whole pop-up card will be shown, and if I get the call on this currently playing the music, the call will be shown like this. Okay, and now yeah, the call card is still there, and the music is also there, so it can use multiple apps also. So talking about the always on display, it is also having always on display like this. It just sucks a lot of battery, so I don't recommend you to use this. Inside the box we got the Apple iPhone and Apple charging cable and some stickers and paperwork, nothing else. So for charging brick, I've also bought the Type-C charger, which is 20 watt, and it's separate. And on the left side we got the volume rockers with mute button and the SIM card tray. On the right side we got the power button and nothing else. And on the downside we got the speakers and the charging port, nothing else. And on top we got nothing. Since the back camera is 48 megapixel now, so the camera bump is big, and I have to buy this camera bump cover, and it was hitting the table. Overall, this phone is the future of iPhone, since comparing the features as compared to the other lineups. The dynamic S9 would be the future, like Apple did with the iPhone 8 and iPhone X. The notch became the future, and then the three cameras as compared to the X and XS, and 11 and 12 they got the triple camera setup. So this dynamic Iceland will be the future of iPhone. Let's see. So overall, this one is a great phone to buy, and it's a major upgrade considering the Apple A16 Bionic chip and the dynamic Iceland, which is totally a new experience. So overall, this one is a really good one. So that's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.